9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let me show you how I made a video about 30-day Deriv Copy Trading Challenge. And I expected you guys to ask me what happened, what were the results, because we started better or good in the results, but later things turned out the other way around, and it was a disappointment to me. Yes, I was using a demo account. I want to see if I test out 3 or rather 5 guys, how are things going to be. And you can see I made video about this 30-day Deriv Copy Trading Challenge. I even gave you an update shortly after, like 2 weeks. Why I'm making this video after 2 months already, it is 30 days, and I want to show you what happened. So we are going to Deriv Copy Trading platform. I already downloaded the application and it is right here. Okay, so let me just click there and we see. So you come here on mobile. This is the interface. So you have to click here on copy. Okay, and it will show you how many you are copying. So I'm copying 5 for now, and if I click here, you are going to see that these are the 5 I've been copying for the last 2 months. Okay, so that means we are past the 30 days I mentioned. So Pepcar is over 50% loss, that is 95.03%. and if I click on these 3 dots, you can see it is automatic. Okay, he almost blew, actually he blew, not almost, he blew the account. I had allocated $1,000 each, demo funds, not real, and he blew the account. And another one who blew the account is this one, or OBFX. He also blew the account with 94.13 in losses. Okay, you can see copying stopped because he blew my account. Okay, then you can also see that even rather Capital 2 I was placing is in negative 66.32 over the last 2 months. Okay, so out of $1,000 I had allocated him, he's remaining with $336. So you can see that Pain Gain C Trader is the one who is in a profit of 8.49%. Okay, that is $66.99 in profit, considering the $1,000 I had allocated to him. The other one is CR7, who is also in a loss of 8.63. So this was a sample to know how if I can trust my funds with these guys. And I'm going to give them time like 5 months, and I see what will happen until I'll stop all of them and I can revise the strategy. These are the guys who allow copy trading, even from traders using demo funds. Otherwise, others don't allow using demo funds to copy their strategies. Okay, so I'll continue revising new ones so that I can land on the ones I can trust, so that I can share, okay, the best way we can make money out of trading without actually trading. Not only that, I'm waiting for a meeting, right? I have a seminar with Deriv on 16th. I received an email, and you can see here in Africa it is on 16th, right? Let me zoom. I have a meeting on 16th, and it will be on Thursday from 5 to 6 p.m. That is 1 hour. So if you have questions about Deriv Copy Trading that you think I should submit to these guys and get answers for you, you can leave them in the comment section. Okay, I also have my questions I need to ask these guys, because once you set, like, when your account goes to 50 drawdown, that is in losses, it should stop trading. I had instructed that. However, I can see some ended up blowing the account, so I need to ask that and get a clear answer from them. Okay, so this one will be a comprehensive guide, okay, confirmation about Deriv Trader Copy Trading, right? So if you have any question, if you have any tips about copy trading, especially Deriv, then you can also share in the comment section. Till next time, keep winning. Thanks for coming by my video. Kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell icon for more upcoming videos. Peace.